how to create unlimited Telegram account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create unlimited Telegram account. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open any preferred browser on your laptop or PC. After that, search temp number. Now, you will see different websites that are offering temporary number for free and paid. So, just head over to the first one. Now, choose which country number you want, then choose any number and put it in the Telegram sign up options. After that, you will see a verification code generated by Telegram will appear over here. Now, just put this code in your Telegram during account creation process and you will be able to create multiple or unlimited Telegram accounts. So that's basically how you can create unlimited Telegram account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful.